Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the host reachable. Enable remote desktop on the Windows PC and assign a static IP or set up dynamic DNS. On your Android, install Microsoft Remote Desktop and grant network permissions. Once done, verify port 3389 is allowed through the PC firewall or plan to connect via a VPN. This prevents exposing RDP publicly. Make sure the Windows user has a password. RDP won't accept blank passwords, and note the username and IP for the next step. Now, open Microsoft Remote Desktop and add a new connection. Enter the host IP or DNS name and Windows credentials. Tap Show additional options to set resolution to 720p and choose a performance profile optimized for low bandwidth so Instagram runs smoother. Once connected, switch the Android client to touchpad or keyboard mode for easier navigation, and enable clipboard sharing if you need copy/paste. Make sure rotation is locked and sound redirection is off unless you need audio. This reduces lag and keeps with the RDP session established. Open Instagram on the remote PC, either the native app via the Microsoft Store or Instagram. Com in a browser, so touch targets map better. Set Windows display scaling to 100% and use client zoom to make buttons tappable on your phone. Once done, test login and stories playback. Make sure two-factor prompts appear on the remote machine, not your phone. If you encounter lag or login failures, try reconnecting over a VPN, confirm Windows system time is correct, and enable network-level authentication on the host.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.